My dear brothers and sisters, if you've been feeling overwhelmed, worried about your future, your finances, or your peace, this message is for you. Sometimes it feels like life is falling apart. But what if it's actually falling into place? What if your current struggles are not signs of failure, but signs that Allah is preparing your comeback? Every worry you carry, every tear you've shed, is not wasted. Allah sees it all, and He's turning it into something beautiful. Your pain is not permanent. It's the bridge leading you toward your purpose and prosperity. Allah's plan may be hidden right now, but soon you'll understand why everything happened the way it did. So, take a deep breath and trust that your story isn't over. Your worries are transforming into wealth, spiritual, emotional, and even material, because Allah is writing your comeback with mercy and perfection. 1. Tests are signs of transformation. When Allah allows you to go through pain, loss, or worry, it's not a sign of rejection, it's a sign of refinement. Every hardship you face carries a hidden purpose. Just as gold is purified through intense fire, your soul is purified through trials. These tests are Allah's way of elevating your faith, cleansing your heart, and preparing you for blessings that require a stronger version of you. Often, we only see the surface, the delay, the disappointment, the difficulty. But Allah sees what you cannot. He knows what success will require, what your heart must first learn, and what distractions must be removed from your path. When everything seems to fall apart, it's usually because something greater is being built within you. So don't see your worries as a curse. See them as a divine classroom. Allah is shaping your patience, strengthening your trust, and unlocking hidden potential you didn't know you had. Every setback is a setup for spiritual growth. When you endure with faith, you're not being punished. You're being transformed into the person capable of carrying the wealth, peace, and purpose Allah has written for you. 2. Hidden wisdom in delay. When something you deeply want doesn't happen right away, it's easy to feel forgotten. But delays are never denials. They are moments of divine wisdom. Allah, in His infinite knowledge, withholds certain things until the exact time they will benefit you most. Sometimes what you're asking for might harm you if given too soon, or you may not yet be ready to handle the responsibility that comes with it. In these waiting periods, Allah is arranging circumstances, aligning people, and shaping your heart to receive what's written for you. Just as a seed cannot bloom before its season, your blessings also arrive when the soil of your soul is ready. Delays teach reliance, patience, and maturity, qualities that turn ordinary believers into extraordinary ones. When life slows down, don't let frustration take over. Instead, remind yourself that Allah's timing is precise. What seems like silence is often divine protection. Many times, you'll realize later that if Allah had given you what you wanted earlier, it would have limited your growth. So trust the delay. Behind every pause is a purpose, a plan that's unfolding perfectly, even if you can't yet see the wisdom hidden within it. 3. Spiritual wealth before material wealth. True prosperity begins within the heart, not in the hands. Many people chase material success, believing that money or status will bring them peace, yet they often remain restless. Allah teaches us that spiritual wealth, contentment, gratitude, and faith is the foundation upon which lasting success is built. When your heart is rich with trust in Allah, even small blessings feel abundant. But when your heart is empty of faith, even the greatest wealth feels meaningless. Spiritual wealth shapes how you see the world. It allows you to remain calm in chaos and grateful in scarcity. It reminds you that provision doesn't come from people, but from Al-Razaq, the ultimate provider. When your focus is on pleasing Allah rather than chasing the world, worldly blessings start to chase you instead. Allah sometimes withholds material gain until your inner state aligns with humility and sincerity. Once your heart is purified of greed, envy, and fear, Allah opens doors you never imagined. That is when wealth becomes a tool for goodness, not arrogance. The richest believer isn't the one who owns the most, but the one whose soul is content and whose trust in Allah never wavers, no matter the circumstances. 4. Allah rebuilds you through hardship. Every hardship you face is not the end of your story. It's the beginning of a new chapter written by Allah. When something in your life breaks, your plans, your comfort, or your sense of control, Allah is clearing space to rebuild you on a stronger foundation. Just as a house must sometimes be torn down before it can be rebuilt safely, your old habits, attachments, and weaknesses may need to be removed before you rise again. In these moments of hardship, Allah is not absent. He is deeply involved in your transformation. Pain has a way of revealing your true strength and dependence on Him. It pushes you to turn inward, to reconnect with your Creator, and to rebuild your life with sincerity and faith. The rebuilding process may be uncomfortable, but it produces resilience, wisdom, and gratitude that ease future storms. Often, what you thought was a loss was actually a divine renovation. Allah replaces what was broken with something purer, faith that can't be shaken, and purpose that can't be stolen. When Allah rebuilds you, He doesn't restore you to what you were. He transforms you into someone greater than you ever imagined. 5. The comeback is written. Your setbacks are not permanent. They are pages in a divine story already written by Allah. A story that ends in your rise, not your fall. Every disappointment, every rejection, every closed door is part of a script designed to lead you towards something greater. You may see failure, but Allah sees preparation. What looks like an ending to you is often the moment Allah begins writing your comeback. When you face difficulties, remember that Allah never allows pain without purpose. The delay, the loss, or the struggle you're experiencing today is shaping the victory that awaits you tomorrow. He is positioning you in ways you cannot yet understand, connecting you with opportunities, wisdom, and strength that will make your return remarkable. Your comeback doesn't happen by luck. It happens through divine mercy. The same Allah who tested you will lift you higher than before. Every fall becomes fuel for growth. Every wound becomes wisdom, and every prayer whispered in hardship becomes part of your rising. So, walk with quiet confidence, not because you know what's next, but because you trust the one who writes your destiny. Your comeback isn't coming. It's already written in His perfect plan. 6. Patience brings prosperity. Patience is not just waiting. It's trusting Allah while you wait. It's the quiet strength that keeps your heart steady when everything around you feels uncertain. When you choose sabr, patience rooted in faith, you're showing Allah that your trust is stronger than your fear. And Allah promises that those who are patient will never lose their reward. Many people rush the process, wanting instant results, but true prosperity comes to those who move with calm belief, not desperate haste. Every time you hold back anger, resist doubt, or choose gratitude in hardship, you're planting seeds of barakah, divine blessings that grow over time. What patience builds is far more lasting than what impatience can grab. Allah's timing is flawless. When you remain patient through tests, You're not standing still. You're being prepared for greater stability and success. The Prophet, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, said, "No one is given a gift better or more abundant than patience." That's because patience opens the doors to peace, provision, and purpose. Eventually, you'll realize that every moment you endured with faith was an investment in your future, one that Allah multiplies into prosperity, both in this world and the next. My dear brothers and sisters, remember, every worry, every delay, and every hardship is part of Allah's divine plan to bring you closer to your breakthrough. Your comeback is already written, and your wealth in faith, peace, and blessings is on its way. Trust Allah's timing and never lose hope in His mercy. If this message touched your heart, please like, share, and subscribe to Purpose Deen for more reminders that strengthen your faith. Before you leave, comment this beautiful prayer. Ya Allah, turn my worries into blessings and write my powerful comeback.